Next comes the display. High-quality OLED and other advanced screens are produced using sophisticated machinery. Each display undergoes multiple inspections to ensure perfect color accuracy, brightness, and touch responsiveness. The camera module is another highly complex component. Tiny lenses are assembled with specialized equipment, and every camera is individually tested. Even the slightest defect can affect image quality. Once all the components are ready, they are shipped to assembly factories. This is where the most fascinating stage of iPhone production begins. Thousands of workers and hundreds of robots work together on large production lines. First, the metal or aluminum frame of the iPhone is prepared. Powerful CNC machines cut and shape the metal into precise forms. The frame is then polished and coated to improve durability and appearance. Next, the internal components are installed. Automated robots rapidly place tiny electronic parts onto circuit boards. Many of these come